Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a blinking snowflake on your Honeywell thermostat in 2025, you're in the right place. This icon typically signals an issue with your cooling system, like a sensor problem or a simple glitch, but the good news is that it's often an easy fix you can handle at home. In today's video, we'll walk through the steps to get your thermostat back to normal, so you can enjoy a comfortable home without any hassle. Let's dive in. First, start with the basics. Make sure your thermostat is properly powered. Check if the batteries are fresh or if it's plugged in securely. A low battery can cause all sorts of weird behavior, including that blinking snowflake. If everything looks good there, reset your thermostat. For most 2025 Honeywell models, press and hold the menu button for about 5 seconds until the screen goes blank, then release and wait for it to reboot. This often clears temporary glitches. Next, inspect your cooling system. Ensure the air filter is clean and not clogged, as a dirty filter can trigger error codes. Head to your HVAC unit and check for any obvious issues, like blocked vents or frozen coils. If you're comfortable, verify the wiring connections at the thermostat base. They might have come loose over time. Remember, safety first. Turn off power to your HVAC system before messing with wires. If the problem persists, it could be a sensor error. Go into the thermostat's settings menu, usually accessed by pressing the menu button, and look for diagnostic or error code options. Note any codes displayed and consult your user manual or Honeywell's website for specific troubleshooting. For advanced users, you might need to recalibrate the thermostat, but that's best done with guidance from a pro. Once you've followed these steps, test your system by setting it to cool and seeing if the snowflake stops blinking. If it does, great job, you fixed it. If not, it might be time to call a licensed technician to avoid any bigger issues. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying on top of your home tech keeps everything running smoothly. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.